I don't wanna drive a fancy car today. I don't wanna ride in a red Corvette. I don't wanna jog my Saturday away, but I don't wanna go home yet. Today is not the day to jump out of a plane. I don't wanna parasail or play roulette. I don't wanna risk it all or go insane, but I don't wanna go home yet. I just wanna watch the birds go by from my handy foldable blue canvas throne. I wanna watch them fly and fly and see them soar up into the unknown. But I feel just like a nerd, watching birds, watching me here all alone. I don't wanna break dance or learn taekwondo. I don't wanna fish till all the fish are gone. I don't wanna seek or try to stay concealed. I don't wanna pass out in a marathon. I don't like soccer, baseball, track, or field. I'm not up for a match of polo. I don't want to roller skate, even if it's slow. I'm also not up for water polo. I just want to watch the birds up there, track the migratory patterns that they flow. I want to watch them from my chair, with my binoculars, my latte, and my phone. Trying to spot a lark in the park, parked in nature all alone. Alone here with the doves and the sparrows, the ospreys, the owlets, the egrets, and my list. It's just me and Mr. Finch, with the robins, the kingfishers, the snipes, though I've heard they don't exist. Each little species in its little way can teach me what awaits you if you can get away. I wanna watch the birds do what they will. Sorry if I'm ornithologically prone. I wanna watch from somewhere undisturbing, quiet, calm, still, and just sit back and gaze at the unknown. I don't wanna fly in the sky, I just wanna be alone. It's not a big deal or anything. I just wanna be alone.